Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust picture settings for the best cinematic look on your Sony BRAVIA TV. So let's open the quick settings menu and let's go straight ahead to picture settings. The first setting that we can change is the picture mode, and I recommend using either standard mode or cinematic mode. Standard mode will make your colors more bright, which is great for gaming experiences. However, the cinema mode will set the colors to the way they are intended to be. Therefore, if you're watching movies, I highly recommend using the standard cinema mode on your TV. The next thing that we have here is the light sensor, and I recommend leaving it on unless it works unless it doesn't work right for you. Maybe your light sensor is slightly damaged or something. If you suspect that, then of course you can turn it off. However, if you leave it on, you'll be able to just set the brightness to the maximum level and not worry about it at all. So yeah, let's go straight ahead to the brightness level. Just leave it at max value with light sensor on. If the light sensor is off, then you can adjust it, but I recommend just changing it slightly, so keep it between 40 and max, or 40 and 50. The next thing is the contrast level, and I recommend setting the contrast level somewhere between 80 and 90, therefore leaving just enough details and not making the picture look way too unnatural. Now the next thing we have here is the gamma settings, and now the gamma will either make your image either brighter or darker depending on what you need. So I recommend either leaving it as is, or you can make it slightly darker, or basically keep it slightly higher. So you can use any value between -1 and 2. For most experiences, this will be the best values. You can just adjust it to the way it looks best for you. Now let's go to the black level. Now, to not make colors look natural, I just recommend leaving it at the same 50 value, and for the same reason, let's not enable black adjust option. Now the next thing we have here is the advanced contrast enhancer, and I actually recommend using either low value, maybe even medium won't really make the image too dark and won't take away any important details, but I would either turn it off if you want the colors as they are intended to be, or setting it to low or medium. So yeah, off or low or medium. Don't set it too high. It will surely make the picture look way too unnatural. Now let's go to the color section, and for the color I recommend either using the same value, so the same 50, or slightly increasing it by up to 5 points if the picture doesn't look too vivid or too bright for you. The hue stays the same, and the color temperature should either be set to neutral, but if you want to increase the colors, improve the colors, you can also set warm or expert 1. So just go with any of this value. If you make it cool, then the blue colors will look somewhat unnatural in some cases, in movies, for example. So I recommend keeping it between neutral, warm and expert 1. Now let's go farther. Here we have the live color to adjust the vividness. However, it will also make your picture look somewhat unnatural. I recommend setting it to off, or if you want to, you can set it to low value, but off will leave the most details. And now let's go to clarity. Basically, in clarity, we only have the sharpness level. The sharpness level should stay the same, but the reality creation feature should be set to off unless you watch any low quality videos and you want to increase the quality. Then you can set to either manual and increase the video's resolution. However, this is done artificially, so it will make the picture look less natural, or you can just set it to auto. But if you are watching a high quality video or high quality movie, of course set it to off. And the same goes to render. Let's go back to the same. The same goes to random noise reduction and digital noise reduction. If you're watching a high quality video, they should be turned off, and in any other cases you can adjust them to your needs. Now let's go to motion, and here we have the motion flow option. I recommend either setting it to auto or setting it to custom, and then selecting some low values to not make picture look way too unnatural. But surely don't set it to high values, because this will make a picture look way too unnatural and give it that soap opera effect that nobody really likes. And CineMotion should actually be turned off for the same reason as the motion flow. The rest of the settings can basically stay the same. So as for the color temperature, we can leave it pretty much the same. We don't need any color adjustments, and unless you really need it, unless it's maybe some old movie that needs some blue, green, or red increasing or decreasing. The rest of the settings can stay the same. You can change the color space if you feel like it, but I would recommend setting the color space to auto so that your TV can decide which is best. And these are all the adjustments that you should make to make your colors look more natural and generally better on your Sony BRAVIA TV. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.